Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for LinkedIn Learning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for LinkedIn Learning, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.linkedin.com/learning and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. If you already have a LinkedIn account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Join Now link. Fill in the required fields with your first name, last name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click on the Agree and Join button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from LinkedIn. Click the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the LinkedIn Learning page. Log in using your LinkedIn credentials again if prompted. You will now be able to explore the LinkedIn Learning library. To start your free trial, look for a prompt or button that says Start Free Trial. Follow the instructions to enter your payment information if required. After setting up your trial, you can begin browsing courses. Select any course you're interested in to start learning. Enjoy your experience on LinkedIn Learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.